Hello friends, today we will read this book, The Magical Pot. Once upon a time there was a farmer. One day, farmer was digging. So he found a old pot. When the lunchtime, he put an egg in it and doing his lunch. Then he was finished his lunch, he saw there was hundred of ants and he was surprised. He knew that it was the magical pot, so he decided to go inside that room in his house. So he closed that pot into a cardboard. So whenever he put a spoon milk and he got 1 liter milk, then he become richer and richer. Then the neighbors was thinking. So one neighbor wants to know what's the matter. So one neighbor was see from the window. He saw that the farmer put the apple in it and he got 100 of the apple. He put a small piece of clothes and he got very lots of clothes. So the farmer said to another farmer, we have to steal that pot because it is magical and we become rich with this pot like farmer. So that night they come and they come to his farmer house. So he steal the pot and then he comes to his house. So he put that on the table and another farmer say it is nothing in that, and another farmer put the hand in it. He was surprised because he have 100 of hand and he was very sad. Then the villagers was thinking that he was the monster. So the villagers was throwing the stone on it. So the moral of the story is we should happy with whatever we have. Thank you everyone.